This is 2021 Toyota Tacoma with sequential um, mirrors lights, and they flow quite well, and they're pretty bright. I got them off Amazon for like $35. Same thing, you know, sold in different Amazon stores for $49, $59. So just don't click on the first link you get. Make sure you know, sort it out, because they all come from China, probably same factory. So let me show you turning the car off. And they're also very dark. Yeah, they're not the darkest ones, but they're pretty good. Beautiful.